How to use Voicemod on VRChat Oculus Quest 2. So you're gonna have to put in mind that if you're using a mobile device, you won't be able to use a in-app voice changer because of some restrictions. But in this case, you are going to need an external device. And in our case, Voicemod does have an external device, which is their Voicemod key. So you can go ahead and get this device first and able to do a voice changer. Now, once you have the Voicemod key, just put in mind that you plug this top part on the phone itself, but what you're gonna need now are the wires to connect the Voicemod key to the Oculus itself. So you can go ahead and get yourself a male-to-male audio plug, and since you're connecting this to your Oculus, you're gonna need a Type C. So as you can see, both jacks are going to be audio plugs, so you can only plug them at once. So you're gonna need another wire, which is this, an audio jack to a Type C. So in our case, we will be able to do something like this, which is you plug this section like so, this to here, and then this to here, to your Oculus. Now you could go ahead and use this option if you don't have this wire, which is just the audio jack itself to a Type C. The reason why we didn't show this first is because this is a wire that's kind of hard to get, but it is still possible. Go ahead and take a look at your shops or something. But if you have this, which is basically the simplified version of the first thing we showed, go ahead and plug this in on the right and then here on the left. Then here on the left audio jack, you're going to put your headphones. That's not headphones, this is. You'll plug in any headphones with the audio jack, which is going there. But that's pretty much the setup of the wires. And then connect the top part here of the Voicemod key to your mobile device. And of course, it has to be Type C. If it's not, you're gonna need another converter if you have micro or something, whatever your mobile device supports. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead to your Oculus settings. Now this is the settings for the Oculus 3, I suppose, but something similar to this. You can go to the settings and make sure your external microphone is toggled on. So go to your quick settings, search off external microphone, and then once you click on that, you will see these other options. Just go ahead and focus on this one, toggle that on, and then restart your device. But that is technically how you use Voicemod on VRChat Oculus Quest 2. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.